Hi, my name is Kayla Lancor. I'm a freshman here at UConn. I'm going to go over 3 unit processes that are here at UConn. Our first stop is the Dairy Bar, home to the best handmade ice cream on campus. The Dairy Bar, along with other dairy companies, use a heat transfer process of pasteurization. The purpose is to heat up the dairy product to a certain temperature over a certain period of time, and this kills the pathogens and the harmful bacteria in the food. So the scientist Louis Pasteur discovered that 1 unit of pasteurization equals 1 minute of heating the product at 60 degrees Celsius. So for the ice cream in general, this process heats at about 68.3 degrees Celsius, and due to the viscosity of the ice cream from the high fat content, it is pasteurized for a total of 30 minutes. Alright, so our second stop is the Mark Edward Freitas Ice Forum, a very well-known place for UConn students for weekend skate. The rink uses thermodynamic processes of refrigeration in order to keep the ice cold. An indirect method is usually used, and this method is when a liquid refrigerant absorbs heat from a secondary liquid, and it's called brine, and brine is made up of calcium chloride or glycol, and this liquid pulls the heat out of the rink floor as the brine is pumped through the pipes, where it eventually spreads evenly along the floor and then turns into ice. Our last stop on the agenda are the agricultural greenhouses. The greenhouses use a fluid-filled process of fluid transportation. So a network of pipes cover the ceiling and release water onto the plants at certain time intervals. The water comes from outside sources, either the water tanks on Horse Barn Hill or water from the water reclamation facility. And so the water comes and flows through the pipes when that time interval is up, and it gets released among the plants. When the time interval is not up, the water stays in storage until it's needed. Also, in the greenhouses, they use hydroponics, so it's kind of like just like a box that holds the water in from the pipes, and then the plants kind of just sit in. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something about engineering and unit processes. Keep a lookout for more, as they're everywhere and they're in our everyday life. We just don't realize it. Thanks.